all know how hard life can get? And I'm not talking about those emotions and shit. I'm talking about the devil's most evil creation, facing all of us every day. That's right, the decisions. At Suunto, we know a few things about trade-offs. No, not those trade-offs. We're talking sports.
We know you love sports and can't live without a real sports watch.
And again, you've seen those smart people wearing those smart watches with various features help you through your daily life. Gosh, that looks too easy. Give me one.
And with the help of Wear OS by Google,
We came up with Suunto's first smartwatch, the Suunto 7. We worked damn hard on getting it right, so you can enjoy the best of both worlds, sports and life combined.